Hi, what's up everyone? In this video we are going to talk about the top best solar panels for RV you can buy on Amazon. If you are new to this channel, please consider subscribing to our channel and press the bell icon. Your RV or camper van can be charged with solar panels. Solar panels provide clean, quiet energy whenever the sun shines. It is, however, important to consider the right type of solar panel before making a purchase. The efficiency of some solar panel installations is greater than that of others, and each installation will have its own special requirements. This list is based on my personal opinion and research and lists them based on random numbering. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description below. So let's get started. On number 4, Renogy 100 watt 12 volt flexible solar panel and charge controller. Renogy makes not only great rigid solar panels, but flexible solar panels as well, making them a great choice for RV owners. There is a 100 watt flexible monocrystalline solar panel in this kit, as well as a 30A charge controller. Panels can be installed using silicone structural adhesive on the backside. This is our pick for best flexible solar panel because Renogy is a reputable brand, so if there are any problems or issues with the warranty, you can probably contact them. On Amazon, it has great reviews as well. On number 3, HQST 100 watt polycrystalline solar panel kit. RV solar starter kits are a great choice when it comes to HQST 100 watt polycrystalline solar panels. One 100 watt panel is included, as is an electronic charge controller, cable connectors, and mounting brackets. Depending on your needs, you can choose a 10A or 20A charger. However, the 20A charger will cost a little more. On number 2, Go Power 130 watt portable solar kit. RVers who don't want to install a roof-mounted solar system will appreciate Go Power 130 watt portable solar kit. With its adjustable legs and carrying box, the foldable 130 watt panel is simple to store and to deploy. A 10 amp PWM charge controller, cabling, and battery clamps are also included in the kit. The panel is covered by a 25-year warranty. Because it is lightweight, foldable, and comes with a storage container, Go Power is our choice for best portable RV solar kit. It can also be used in conjunction with an existing rooftop system or a standalone electricity. What more could you ask for in a solar panel that you can carry about with you? On number 1, WindyNation 100 watt solar panel off-grid kit. Boondockers who don't require a lot of power can use the WindyNation 12 volt 100 watt solar panel kit. A 100 watt panel, a 20 amp PWM charge controller, 4 Z brackets for mounting, cabling, and solar connectors are included in the kit. As well, it includes a lead-acid battery with a capacity of 100 amp-hour absorbed glass mat, AGM. A WindyNation website says this panel will produce 3.5 kilowatt-hours per day. This might not sound like much, but since the included charge controller can handle 4 100-watt panels, you can add more at any time. Great online reviews and included equipment make this kit our runner-up pick for best RV solar kit overall. So guys, this was the video about the best solar panels for RV. All the links are given in the description, do check them out. If you enjoyed the video, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more videos. Thank you.